Your body has two ages. The first is your chronological age, candles on a cake, fixed and relentless. But the second is your biological age, the true wear and tear of your cells. This clock isn't fixed. It can speed up, slow down, maybe even rewind or reversed. This is Metabolis, the city inside you. Its state reflects your biological age. For centuries, decline seemed inevitable. But today, science isn't just observing the fall, it's drawing blueprints for a rebuild, and the first battle will be against an unexpected enemy, your own cells. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice nor a guide for self-treatment. Now that we are on the same page, let's dive right into Metabolis. When cells are damaged, they pull an emergency brake called senescence. It prevents cancer, but sometimes these cells refuse to die. Instead, they linger, zombie cells oozing toxic senescence-associated secretory phenotype signals that spread chaos. With age, immune patrols weaken, zombie cells pile up, and the city chokes on inflammation. So scientists began to ask questions and proposed a radical, citywide cleanup and rebuild. The tools for the job were called Senolytics. The first demolition crew was an unlikely duo, Dasatinib, a heavy-hitting cancer drug, paired with Quercetin, a nimble antioxidant found in plants. Their target, a small group of patients with a fatal lung disease, a known zombie cell stronghold. The result? After treatment, they could walk farther and breathe easier. It was a quiet breakthrough, and for the very first time, we had proof that evicting these cellular zombies could help people, not just lab mice. But larger trials tell a harder story. Dasatinib plus Quercetin cleared some senescent cells, yet showed no broad improvements in frailty or strength. These are powerful drugs, not simple supplements, and though results are promising, there are many limitations to using them. The search for better demolition tools led to contenders like Fisetin, a yellow pigment from strawberries and apples. In mice, it thinned zombies, calmed inflammation, improved tissue health, even extended lifespan. But human data are still early, and the effective doses are far higher than diet alone. The demolition strategy shows immense promise, but it also raises a crucial question. Is a wrecking ball always the right tool? What if destruction isn't the only answer? Senomorphics don't kill zombies, they silence their toxic chatter. Rapamycin, for example, can turn down the SASP static by targeting the mTOR pathway. In fact, in one human trial, an mTOR inhibitor boosted the vaccine response of older adults, a sign that tuning pathways can truly refresh defenses. Another elegant idea, retrain the city's police. Immune tune-ups like experimental CAR T-cell therapies aim to reawaken immune patrols so they can hunt zombies themselves. Still early, still risky, but a glimpse of renewal from within. But the boldest blueprint goes to the heart of the system. Over time, your cell's epigenome, their instruction manual, drifts off key like a musician forgetting a masterpiece. The breakthrough came with partial reprogramming, just enough reset to clear errors without erasing identity. In mice, this even restored vision, a software update for your cells. But make no mistake, this is the frontier. It changes what we thought was possible, that the clock of life itself might be rewound, but still very risky and not ready for humans. Demolition crews, quiet peacekeepers, retrained patrols and reboots. The work to rebuild Metabolis has begun. The takeaway isn't a magic pill, but a mindset shift. Aging is not just fate, it's an engineering challenge. And the most complex system of all awaits. Next, we enter cortexia, the brain of the aging Metabolis, where memory, identity, and consciousness face the rebuild.